Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger. Selling sneakers is a great way to make extra money. I've been flipping sneakers for over a year now and have made over $1,000 a month with this easy side hustle. In this video, I will teach you how to get started reselling sneakers. In recent years, reselling has become a popular way to make extra money online. I had some money saved and was ready to start flipping more expensive items, but I didn't know where to begin, so I looked for higher ticket items to sell online, and I was aware that luxury items were costly, so I researched high-end designer items such as sneakers. When searching on eBay, I filtered solely by price, not by brand name. I was looking for items selling between $500 and $1,000 that I could resell for a profit. Surprisingly, among the name brand luxury bags and other obviously expensive items in the $1,000 range were a pair of Nikes. There's a lot of potential money to be made in flipping sneakers, but it's important to do your research to first figure out how much upfront money you'll need. Generally, you'll need around $1,000 to start buying and selling sneakers, but the numbers may vary depending on the market and the sneakers you're looking to flip. If you can find a pair of hot sneakers that are in high demand, you may be able to make more money, but it's important to be aware of how the market is trending so that you don't end up with a bunch of sneakers no one wants. Keep an eye on blogs and social media accounts devoted to sneaker culture and do your research before investing in any specific sneaker brand. With a little bit of work and some knowledge about the sneaker market, you can get started making some serious profit flipping sneakers. And just for your information, before I started flipping sneakers, I knew nothing about the sneaker market. I didn't even care about buying sneakers for myself. So this is how easy it was for me to get started flipping sneakers. If somebody who doesn't know anything about sneakers can actually get into this business and start to make money, then it's not that difficult for you guys to try and give it a go. First, I'll give you guys a brief overview of the sneaker resale market, and second, I'll discuss the process of buying and selling sneakers. The sneaker resale market is a booming industry with immense potential for profit. The market is fueled by avid collectors and flippers who are looking to make a quick buck by buying sneakers at retail price and reselling them for a higher price. That's us. While the market can be lucrative, it can also be unpredictable as trends come and go quickly. Savvy flippers must stay up to date on the latest releases and be prepared to act fast in order to get the best deals. As someone who's always had entrepreneurial spirit and hustler mentality, I was looking for the right environment to help me reach my full potential. Flipping goods seemed like an ideal combination, an easy way to fill supply and demand while making money. When it comes to sneakers, there are a few things we need to take into account before making your purchase. For starters, you'll want to think about the style of the sneakers. Some styles are more popular than others and tend to resell for a higher price. Secondly, you'll need to make sure that the sneakers are in good condition. Damaged sneakers will not sell for as much as those that are in good condition. Finally, you'll want to consider the market value of the sneakers. This can vary depending on the style, color, and size of the sneaker, along with the brand. Streetwear has been growing in popularity for the past few years, with both established and upcoming brands gaining attention from consumers. To stay ahead of the trends, it's important to follow sneaker and fashion publishers like Hyperbeat and High Snobbity. These sites are constantly showcasing new products and collaborations, giving you a head start on what's hot in streetwear. While flipping sneakers may have died down in recent years, the resale market is still going strong. Sites like StockX are great resources for tracking resale values and finding limited edition sneakers. If you can get your hands on a coveted pair of shoes, you can likely make a nice profit by selling them online. The first step is to find a good source of sneakers. The best place to find sneakers is on websites like eBay and Craigslist. You can also find sneakers at local shoe stores. You'll need to constantly search for sneakers online in order to build up supply. It can take a lot of effort to find a pair at a good price that can be flipped for more on other marketplaces. Some people buy locally through online classified advertisements and then flip them on eBay for more. Recently, StockX has also become a big player for sneaker flipping. You need to send the sneakers to them when you make a sale so they can verify the product and then they forward that to the customer. They'll take a cut of the action, but they're a good way to reach a large number of consumers who are looking for sneakers online. So basically you have the ideal target market when you sell through StockX. I like to buy older models of sneakers, typically through eBay or Facebook groups and sneaker conventions. I believe that the market for reselling sneakers is oversaturated with new releases, so I prefer to focus on sneakers that are a few years old and a little bit more difficult to find in good condition. I think the older models are more unique and have more character than newer ones. In addition, the prices for older sneakers tend to be more reasonable than for the newest models. What was once a niche market for sneaker enthusiasts has turned into a mainstream movement. Celebrities, athletes, and everyday people are all flipping sneakers for a profit. The problem is that many new flippers are buying fakes which can't be resold. Here are my best tips to help you spot fake sneakers. Educate yourself on the different types of fakes. There are many variations of fake sneakers, so it's important to educate yourself on the different types. Some of the most common fakes include replicas of popular models, shoes that are not released in your region, and shoes with incorrect branding or logos. Learn how to spot the difference in quality. One of the easiest ways to spot fake sneakers is by inspecting the quality of the materials used. Fakes will often use low quality materials, which makes them easy to identify. If you buy a fake on eBay, you can report it to eBay and get your money back, and also stop that seller from selling fakes to others. But if you buy from a classified ad and pay cash, you're on your own. Knowing how to spot fakes is a biggie if you want to succeed at flipping sneakers. Another issue with fakes is selling genuine shoes but having the buyer claim they are fake. This can be solved by including receipts, taking detailed pictures as you ship to prove that you indeed shipped authentic shoes. The next step is to inspect the sneakers for damage. The listing may say it's in great condition, but you might find some issues with the shoe. It may be possible to get repaired for a low cost, but understanding your options for shoes that are not in perfect condition is also a must in the resale game. Your goal is to get more money than what you paid for the sneakers, so you need to put a little love back into cleaning those sneakers and making their appearance look much better than what you received. And this little investment in tools and supplies to help you clean older sneakers will recoup your costs and also make the next owner of those sneakers much happier when they receive their purchase in good condition. Customer satisfaction is crucial. If you sell on eBay, you want to ensure that you're building a solid reputation and the people are receiving what you promised. You don't want negative feedback or worse, having your eBay account closed down. So if you have dissatisfied customers, find a way to make it right and avoid a problem that could harm your business. In conclusion, flipping sneakers can be a very profitable side hustle, but it's important to take the time to learn the business and stay up to date on sneaker news and culture. If you're interested in getting into the business, there are a number of resources available to help you get started. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video goes up. And likes are always appreciated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.